Hello, hello. On today's video, I'm just going to start on row 44. The unique thing about this particular row is we're starting to get into the squares inside the small block triangles. I'll pull up the progress tracker so you can see. So just a little bit of a change up from the normal. We'll have 3 rows where these small blocks will have these small squares. It'll be each of a varying color. So I just wanted to make sure because sometimes we kind of get in the habit of, you know, crocheting along and forgetting to double check. So at least I did. I about started this row thinking it was going to be a plain triangle, and I just now realized I have to back that out and start again. So we're going to go ahead and start. So this particular first block is going to be started in the dark pink. So we're going to do 1 dark pink and then 3 peach and then 5 dark pink, 3 peach, and then 1 red. So it's going to be one of those rows that have a lot of color changes just because you're swapping back and forth. And here we go. All right, so we're going to make sure we find that first stitch. We'll do 1. Swap over to peach for 3. Hide the twist, and we'll swap back to the dark pink. Five. Drop pink, pick up the peach for 3. And then 1 red. Okay, so that's what that looks like. We're going to continue on to the large block, which is going to be just have the center red diamond. So we're going to do 2 light pink, go all the way across the red until the last 2 on that block. So I think that's 21 red if I remember correctly. Two. All right, scroll this over. So this next one will be swapping between the peach and the light pink. Okay, and then we're going to do another one of the large blocks with the light pink and the red. The next one will be a light peach box in the middle. We'll have another light peach. And the last one will be dark pink. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to continue on this particular row. I'll have a picture of the final piece for today. Show me your progress and we'll go from there.